Hey everyone, how exciting is this? We've had loads of requests to do another day in the life video. Let's start with me brushing my teeth. This is my sort of bird's eye view of the day. Doing my hair, looking all swish and angry actually there. So yeah, saying let's go. Always have to take these sweets, these Jakemans, cherry and these black ones, I don't know what they are. My dog's not happy with me going. And this is me getting into the car with Moz. There we go, whoa! And off we go. We're on our way to Heaton House in Cheshire. There's having a sandwich. Yeah, didn't have time for breakfast, so on our way in the sticks. On our way to Cheshire, which is a beautiful part of the country if you've never been there. We arrive at the venue through the back door. There's our equipment on the floor, and here's a couple of shots of the venue itself. Heaton House, lovely. There's some pigs. Oh no. And then there's a stag. I think it's a stag. And here is the welcome sign to Craig and Jen's wedding that we did. There's the venue, not made up properly yet, so we just arrived. And there's a piper piping through to the drinks reception. And there's Craig and Jen arriving into the room, and a little shimmy there from Jen as well. There's a little sneaky shot that I got of the speeches. I just walked across and filmed sneakily, I know. And then we're into the show. And this is Can't Take My Eyes Off You, everyone napkin swinging. Having a great time. You'll see a lovely shot of Moz in a minute. Doing one of his trademark poses, I fear. There we go, ready? Look at that. See right at the back. And then onto the show is, oh yeah, Grease Lightning. Some great dance solos. Look at that kilt, stayed where it was. End of that, we went into a bit of 500 miles, as you can hear. The Scots love that. Yeah, it was a very large conga indeed. And then into That's Amore. Sweet Caroline. And then we end the show on that. What a great show it was. Lovely, lovely audience. And then we pack up as Moz, giving us a bit of a funny face. And we drive away into, I was going to say the sunset, but it wasn't, it was dark. So yeah, thanks for watching. And there's Craig and Jen. What a lovely, lovely couple.